God, that looks so good. Welcome back to another video. So yesterday we actually spent a lot of the day cleaning this car up, making it look perfect. We're actually going to an invite-only private car meet today. In the last video, we got our wheels on. The car is looking super nice. I showed it to my dad yesterday too. He thought it looked great. All my friends, family. I think the polish on the green was a great choice. So that was honestly one of the main reasons I even put the wheels on, is because I was trying to get ready for this car meet and have this car kind of looking nice, so that when we go, it's not just a stock looking car. That's enough talking. Let's get in the car. Let's head out. We're gonna meet up with some of my brothers and we're all gonna kind of ride up together. My brothers Zishan and Sufyan, both of their trucks were invited, so we're gonna head over there together, and then we're gonna meet up with a few other friends who are gonna ride along with us just for the sake of chilling today. We also need to get gas, so luckily we're meeting up at the local gas station. So I'll pick up the camera again once I pull up there, and hopefully today's turnout is a good one because I'm excited. There's some nice cars here. That's Kinetic guys, I think, right there. That green Supra, I'm telling you, is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Yo, oh my god. Here you got the blend. Take that to the mainstream. Awesome. G80.
What S3 is? RS3?
Oh, okay, take a left and then go up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Right between two cones up behind that black Supra.
This looks like one of those California meets, to be honest.
Yeah.
Sam, I was hoping you would let me park next to that. So we just pulled up to the car meet. We got a pretty nice parking spot right here. I think I might be the last one on this row, hopefully. Right next to my car, there is also what looks like a British Racing Green G80 with orange interior. This thing looks really nice. It looks like stock, but I like the color on it. But this meat is crazy. This looks like a California meat, to be honest. Like, look at this. Got cars everywhere. Honestly, let's go walk around and see some of these nice cars. You got the Porsche section over here. You got all the Supras down here. You got, ooh, there's a Datsun right there. I need to go look at that thing. We got all the Kinetic cars out here. These things are beauties, but there's so many other nice cars. Like, look at that thing. That thing is one of the best NSX builds I've ever seen in my life. That thing is so pretty. What do you even call this? Like a track build, or like a what type of build is this? Look at this thing. This thing is a beauty. I just met with the owner, super nice guy. But then there's so many, like there's a Veilside RX-7 here. Like, that's crazy. And this thing is super nice. I will say I like the orange rather than the red, but the red's cool too. Look at these wheels. They look like customs. Yeah, there's literally so many cars here, and there's just more people pulling up. This is by far one of the best car meets I've ever been to. Getting some love up there, boys. Love to see it. And they got my brothers off-roading over here. They were scared that their parking brake wasn't gonna be able to hold the weight, but they're literally at a very steep angle. I don't know how steep it looks on camera, but they got both their trucks out here, and honestly, well deserved. The trucks are really nice. But you got the entire Porsche collection. Some old school stuff, new school stuff. Yeah, this meat, what do you think?
Fire.
Fire.
Best meat.
Best meat so far.
America.
I think they got all the super fancy supercars going up to the private location. Got GT3 RS, all black with the bronze wheels. Love that. I don't know, I do love them in white, but that looks really nice. Oh, this is the best car here. Bruh, that is so beautiful. Why are you bluffing on buying your BMW?
Me?
Yeah.
Alright.
That could be you right there.
Soon.
Soon?
3 months.
It's on camera now.
3 months.
It's on camera now.
Okay.
3 months, he's buying a BMW. He's been slagging, he's been driving that little Civic.
I love my Civic.
She's beautiful to me. But love this thing.
What made you want to get an SI?
Yeah, please tell us, why'd you get an SI?
I got a BMW manual.
I didn't really like that when I was buying.
We gave it some time. All the G80s pulled up. We're actually about to move all the cars into a line here. So you have the E36, then the E46, then we're gonna do, where's the F80? This F80 right here. Yeah, I've shown you guys this. This is the same car that was iconic, but the G80s with the BBSs, always a clean look. Then the G80, and we're gonna get some photos of all the cars with some of the new owners that we met today. So this is gonna be dope. Yeah, let's do it. I thought I was about to go sideways into you. But yeah, we got the G80s on the edge here, F80, E90. And then we got the E36 and the E46 right here at the end. So honestly, all we're missing is the E30 and maybe an E92, but this is fire. We're just leaving the car meet. Honestly, this is one of the coolest car meets I've been to ever. Oh, there's a bug on me. But
You gotta keep that in.
I felt it crawling my neck, yo. But I also met a lot of people that were technically only Instagram friends, and I met them in person, so that was nice. Saw their cars, but a lot of people were heading out, so we were heading out now. And yeah, I think honestly that's gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys liked this random kind of vlog style video rather than the usual installs, but we'll get back to it in the next one. But I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.